Today, I'm gonna show you how to download GShade and add a preset for The Sims 4. Super easy, and your game will look 10 times better after this. GShade is a program that adds filters to make your Sims 4 look more bright and realistic. And a preset is a ready-made filter you can use inside GShade to change your game's look easily. Your Sims 4 can look like this. I'll show you how to download GShade first, and then how to add a preset. First, open your browser and go to the official GShade site. Make sure you are in the right place of the site. If the site doesn't work, you can search for GShade Anadius version. Now you will see the GShade website. Scroll down a little until you find the button that says, Download GShade for Windows. Click that. It will start downloading a file. Wait for it to finish. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet. When it's done, open the file you just downloaded. Double-click the GShade you just downloaded. Now, after you double-click the GShade file, a message will pop up on your screen. Click Yes so the installer can open. This little box will appear in your windows. You can change the language, but mine is English, and click OK. And I agree. When it asks where to install, make sure it's in your Sims 4 folder. Usually your game folder is here. Click Browse and then click the TS4_X64 and open. Don't change anything here unless you know what you're doing. I recommended choosing the DirectX 11, then DirectX 9. Just wait until it's fully downloaded. It depends what network you're using. I usually keep this one, but if you want to organize it, just click Browse. When it's done installing, click Finish and No. Now open your Sims 4 game to check if it worked. If you see a message from GShade when the game starts, that means it's installed correctly. Go to your favorite GShade preset creator. You can find many on Tumblr, Patreon, or YouTube. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see the file you just downloaded. Now open your GShade folder. Usually it's located here. Click the folder GShade Presets and click Custom. Drag or copy the .ini file you downloaded into that presets folder. Once you move it, your preset is now added to GShade. Now open your Sims 4 again. This is the original lighting of the sim. Let's add the preset. Press Shift plus F2 or Home key to open the GShade menu. You can click the tutorial, but I'm just going to click the Continue. At the top, you'll see a list or drop-down menu that says Presets. Click it, then scroll until you find the name of the preset you just added. Click the preset and wait a few seconds. And boom, you will see your game colors change instantly. The lighting will look brighter, the shadows will look smoother, and the whole game will look more realistic and beautiful. You can try different presets and choose the one you like most. If you want to turn it off, just go back to the GShade menu and select Default or remove the filter. Press Shift plus F2 or Home key to close the menu. And that's it. You now have GShade and a preset in your Sims 4 game. Now, your game looks more pretty, bright, and aesthetic, perfect for screenshots or gameplay videos. If this helped you, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. I'll post more Sims 4 tutorials soon. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone! You can follow me here for more Sims 4 tutorials and aesthetic tips soon.